오요요 라보야요 오 라붐바에 부단네 부다노 오 라붐바.
It is one of the ritual about Gadaa system, and then it is a Gamme ritual, and the Gamme stage ritual called Nyaachisa. And Nyaachisa is like the first ritual. All Ruba member came here and to be together and eat together, to create togetherness and start to learn Gadaa system, yeah, within the Ruba, with the Ruba group. So that's why it is like a school trip, yeah. So in other country, for example, in 15, 16, 17 days school trip, go to the, for example, far away, 2-3 days, live together, stay together, and learn each other and learn environment, yeah, and also history, culture. Even I did when I was high school student, yeah. School prepare 1 week travel, yeah, and all students go far away. This is one of the experience and education. Nyaachisa also like such a part of such a education within the culture. That's it.
Thank you so much.
무게 무게 무게